Okay, welcome to this lead generation workshop. This is a live workshop, and this is going to be session 1. We're going to be doing 4 sessions over the next couple of weeks, and this is going to help you on a real practical level get started building your list. And this is something that most marketers want to be able to do. This is going to be one path to do it. This is not the only path in order to build your list, but this is one that actually works, and this is one that to some degree is going to be the easiest thing that you could do to get started. So let's talk about building your list. We're going to work through the technical aspects of lead generation. So we're going to work through building your pages. We're going to work through putting copy on the page. We're going to work through getting your autoresponder in place. So when you go back through this series, you are going to be able to go step by step through this series of videos, and you're going to be able to get a process so that you can start building your list. That's the purpose of this. I'm going to assume that you've already committed to work with other online marketers. So in other words, this course is going to be about selling to other information marketers. Now, even if that's not going to be your market, you're going to be able to apply this to other niches. You're going to be able to apply this to other markets. But the reason that we want to start you working with other online marketers, yes, it is the most competitive market there is. Yes, it is the probably going to be where you're going to encounter the most resistance from buyers. But at the same time, though, the market is huge. The market is always bringing in new people. And because of that, you can be an authority without necessarily having to be a super expert. And you don't have to be an expert in order to build a list. You don't have to be an expert in order to build up a following in the internet marketing or in the info marketing niche. So I'm going to assume that you're going to commit to work with online marketers. And what I want to say to you is this again. Let's say that you haven't decided on the market yet. You haven't decided on the niche. If you learn how to do list building to other internet marketers, you can transfer the skill. Does that make sense? So how many does that make sense to you? If you get what I just said, please put the number 3 in the question box. So what I'm saying to you is learn how to, it doesn't have to be your favorite niche. It doesn't have to be what you want to do, but learn how to do it here. Learn how to work with the people in Warrior Plus. Learn how to work with the people in JVZoo, because once you do that, you'll know how to set this up, either if you can go set it up for other people or you'll be able to go set it up for yourself in another market. So we're going to put together an offer for the Warrior Plus network. And the reason, again, I've said this in the past, if you haven't built a list before, if you haven't necessarily, if you don't yet have that following of people who are waiting for your product yet, Warrior Plus is a great place to start because you're going to be able to get traffic to your offer even if you don't know anybody. JVZoo is a great platform. I like the people there, but you have to have a you have to have a list already. You have to have a following already in order to make traction there. And so Warrior Plus is for people when you just get started and you are starting to build out what it is you're going to do. So we're going to set up everything, right? We're going to set up your opt-in. We're going to set up your copy. We're going to set up your email system. So if you have been wanting to do this in the past and you have been stuck behind the technical barrier or you've been stuck behind just not knowing what to do, this workshop is going to be for you. This workshop is really going to be helpful to you because I'm going to put in order the things that you need to do and you need to be thinking about as you start to build your list. And once again, list building is, an email list is still important. I understand that there is social media and a lot of people are making traction and selling things on social media. What I will tell you is that even if you are selling things on social media, people are really distracted on social media. And it's a hard way to go to get people so focused on you that you're going to make a lot of sales if you're just getting started, right? So again, if you can learn how to do this process, right, which is to build an email list with internet marketers who are looking to buy products in order to help them to make more money online, you will be able to take this skill and transfer it to social media, and you'll be able to transfer it to any niche.